What's up, everybody? I'm back again, and I wanted to show y'all a little something. By the way, look, check out my scissors. The most goth thing ever. A bat. I have an unboxing today that I wanted to show y'all. I don't know if y'all remember, but back a couple months ago, I said that I was having problems with my computer running out of memory, like so fast where I kind of had to stop videoing. Well, today we're doing an unboxing. And we're just going to get right to it because I don't have a lot of time right now. This is from, I don't know if you could tell, B&H Photo. The best place to get all of your equipment. We're going to open it like so. The best RAM, the best memory, the best whatever else I could in my price range. So this should last me a couple years at least. Oh, I see the box, y'all. I hope all my Final Cut Pro and everything can go on this. Like, because I don't remember passwords very well. So I hope it's already, like signed into my iCloud. But, here we go. Okay. I love Apple's packaging. They always have such sleek packaging. This is the MacBook Pro. I got it in the, what is it called? The black one. Whatever that is. So let's open it and see. There she is. Oh my god. Beautiful. The lighting setup is not very good. Yet again. I'll get better at it. Oh my gosh. Look. The charger is even black. That is gorgeous. Look how slim this is. I can't remember. My other MacBook Pro might be a little bit slimmer, but this one has... I'll show you. Hold on. It has more, like where you can put your SD card in it. For some reason you had to buy... On my other one, you had to buy a connector to be able to put an SD card in to edit your photos, which, what's the point of that? MacBook Pros are for photographers and videographers. That's what they're made for, so I don't know why they did that. But the only thing I don't like about this one is... Oh, look how gorgeous. The only thing I don't like about the new MacBook Pros is they did away with the touch, the little touch bar. You'll see. I'll show you my other one here in a second, but look how gorgeous. Oh my god. So this is 1 terabyte. It's 1 terabyte of memory. Oh, ignore my cat in the background. My gosh, she's always ruining the video. She's a wild child. But it's 1 terabyte, 18 gigs of RAM, I think that's how you say it, and it is the M3 Pro processor. I don't know what all of that means, I just know the RAM makes it go faster, and I needed the 1 terabyte because I had only the 512 gigabyte of storage, and that ran out so quick, even though I was using my iCloud storage, my Dropbox, and I had a hard drive, so I don't understand how that happened, but anyway. Oh, whoa, it turned on. Hold on, how do I do this? Right as I opened it turned on. Whoa, even the Touch ID thing is different than my last one. My last MacBook Pro is the 2020 version, the late 2020 version. But look how sleek this black is. Like, that is gorgeous. The MacBook Air makes the midnight version, which is like a navy blue, like a super dark navy blue. But that is so pretty. My posture is so horrible. But look at that. I love this. I hope they keep the black in, and I hope honestly they keep the blue too. I want to get the blue iPad Pro. Oh, that's another thing real quick I wanted to show y'all. Wow, the screen is really sleek too. See, mine before this one doesn't have all of this. It only has 2 USB-C adapters and nothing else. This is for your SD card. This is a USB-C, and that I think is it HDMI or USB? I think it's HDMI, yeah. And then on the other side, oh my god, I forgot. This has the MagSafe, so it's like the magnetic charger. So it's just like the old ones from the early 2000s, where this part that goes onto your computer is magnetic. Let's see if it does it. Where is it? Okay. Yeah. Whoa, and that's strong. Come on. Wow, that's cool. I love how the charger's black too. So cool. I love this. But yeah, and then there's 2 more USB-C slots, a headphone jack, and your charger, the MagSafe charger. This is MacBook Pro on the
Use
bottom.
English is the main language.
Oh. The screen, it's the liquid retina screen. I love that. So crystal clear. That's one thing I love about all MacBooks. They always have super crystal clear, super clean and crisp images and text. That's why a lot of photographers and videographers like to use MacBooks. Let me set it up real quick. That is so gorgeous. It's perfect for us goth kids, or spooky kids. I'm really not that goth. I'm like a mixture of like punk, goth, emo, anything alternative and edgy. I got 2 chins, by the way. I'll do a close-up in a second. For verification. And then everything should be good. Ooh. Oh my, look how freaking clear. That's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Wow, this is so wild to me. I can finally edit videos without feeling like I don't have any memory on here. I mean, my memory is burnt out. But this memory should be better than mine. A LOTTT Pro. So I'm gonna get to adding all my stuff. And that's gonna be boring. It probably already got boring, y'all. I have a lot of editing to do. That is my unboxing haul. I hope that I want to use that as my thumbnail. I hope they do that for the AI thing, because I'm too lazy to cut it out, put it in Photoshop, upload it. So AI, please hear me out. Add that one. But alright guys and ghouls, I will talk to you next time. I hope you like this. I have another package coming in from Unif. And I know y'all are gonna really like that because I noticed you guys really like the gothy things. So you'll really like this. It's grunge, goth, punk, whatever you want to call it. Oh, by the way, look at my Crocs. They're called the Rebels or something. They're only out at the beginning of summer this year. But yeah, I got a Black Craft shirt on, Eye Girl, Jelly Bands, Evil Eye bracelet from Portals in Town, which is a metaphysical shop. Oh, and then I got this thing. This is a talisman. It's supposed to bring good luck, money, fame, whatever I want. So we'll see if this works. We shall see, y'all. Look how cool this shirt is, though. But, oh, and then the hat. What is it? I forget. I'll list it below. But if you see it, it's like full of glitter, and it says legend on it. It's so cool. But alright, I hope y'all loved it. That was my first unboxing in like almost 3 years. So, but like I said, I have a couple more coming. So I'm trying to get back into the group of things. So let me know what y'all want down below. Please like and subscribe, and peace.